Hey tech lovers! Have you ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life in a way that's fun and easy? Well, let me introduce you to the MYNT3D Super 3D pen. This isn't just any ordinary pen. It's a gateway to turning your concepts into tangible reality. Imagine drawing in the air and watching your creations spring to life. The MYNT3D pen uses 1.75mm ABS and PLA filaments, making it versatile and perfect for precision work. Whether you're a hobbyist, an artist, or just someone who loves to tinker, this pen is a game changer. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in, load the filament, and you're ready to go. Plus, it heats up quickly, so you won't waste any time waiting around. With adjustable feed speed, you have total control over your creations. Now, let's talk about the design. The MYNT3D pen is lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring a comfortable grip for extended use. And thanks to the OLED display, you can easily monitor the temperature and status of the pen. But what makes this pen truly special is the endless possibilities it offers. From custom jewelry to intricate models, or even repairing broken items, the only limit is your imagination. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned creators. So, if you're ready to take your creativity to the next level, check out the MYNT3D Super 3D pen. Transform your ideas into reality and make something amazing today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.